Definitely don't need it today, but here's how the diesel heater is installed. A little back bin, the Vevor 2 kilowatt, and then I bought a small 2.5 liter diesel tank. The muffler just pulls out. They talk about how the pump makes a bad ticking sound, and you definitely noticed that at first. So I made just a little suspension system, and it made a huge difference. The exhaust is routed just through this pipe here. It's in the back. Just shove the muffler in. And I rigged up, this is a deck plate, so that the door to the compartment can be closed, and then there's enough airflow for the intake into the whole heater unit. Made a custom mounting bracket for it all, and just routed it through, and just have the controller right here on the inside. Thing works really well. $100, a little Bluetooth version, and got the exhaust just mounted right in there. Just built a little shroud for it, and yeah, it works really well. Running it all night on the low setting burns about a half tank of the 2.5 liters. So yeah, like say 1.5 liters for about 10 hours of use through the night. And yeah, that's just a little diesel heater install. Definitely don't need it today.